Fuentes, and you're watching the GUITARIST guitar method.
Hey everybody, welcome to the brand new 2015 Epiphone limited edition special I electric guitar from Epiphone. A beautiful worn cherry. This is a limited edition version of Epiphone's #1 selling model, available with a choice of worn finishes. The Epiphone LTD Special is a great way for beginners to get started on guitar with real Les Paul tone and feel. Seasoned pros love the Special I because it's a great sounding workhorse guitar that lets them leave their Les Pauls or high-end guitars at home. The authentic Les Power starts with the basswood, trademark Les Paul body with a bolted-on 1960s slim taper mahogany neck, featuring a 21-fret rosewood fingerboard with dot inlays. The Special I is voiced by a pair of hot open coil Epiphone 700T and 650R humbucker pickups, giving it a massive, unmistakable Les Paul tone. Like all Epiphone's electric guitars, it comes standard equipped with 500K potentiometers for the master volume and master tone controls, plus Epiphone's heavy-duty 3-way pickup selector toggle switch, an exclusive non-rotating heavy-duty output jack. This value champ also now features nickel hardware, including an indentated one-piece wraparound bridge stop bar. The neck, the action, the feel is slick, great action, fast-paced, very lightweight, but it sounds intense. I highly recommend this Epiphone limited edition Special I Les Paul. And it's a great. Now let's hear what it sounds like. See you guys real soon. Hey everybody, now that you've heard all the specs and all the speeches and all the hoopla and the buzz of the Epiphone limited edition Special I Les Paul in the cherry worn finish, you're probably asking, what does it sound like? How good are the pickups? How good is the wood? Well, I'm going to play several patches for you. I'm just going to play a couple of licks and riffs and some chords. I'll let you decide how good this guitar sounds. Incidentally, I played with the Boss eBand JS10 with the Trusonic 600 watts powered amplifier by Alto Professionals. So you're going to hear 600 watts of juice hooked up to the Boss eBand JS10 for all the tones. If you have any questions or comments, please go ahead and leave your comments here. And please subscribe to my channels, the Jordan Lynch Guitar Method. And for all my guitar tones that you're hearing here, I invite you to subscribe to the link below at Guitar Tones TV, where I will be uploading and sharing with you all original guitar tone patches. Alright, so let's begin now with some sounds of the Worn Cherry 2015 Epiphone Limited Edition Special I Les Paul. Alright folks, now that you've seen photos and the actual specs of the Epiphone limited edition special I Les Paul in the cherry worn finish, you're probably asking, what does it sound like? How good are the pickups? I want to hear some tones. Well, you're in for a treat. I'm going to go by real quickly, playing several of my custom tone patches, and you'll get to hear for yourself how good this guitar sounds, and it plays amazingly well. This neck is a bolt-on neck, and it's a beautiful, beautiful guitar. It's well made, and I love it. I love the action. Everything about this guitar, I love it. So give it a try. Stop at your local guitar store. Pick one up. They're very inexpensive for the price. You can leave your Les Pauls at home. You can leave your $4,000 guitars at home if you like to. Take this out, thrash it, ding it up. Makes no difference. It plays really, really well. Let's go ahead and do some tones. And that concludes today's review of the Epiphone 2015 Limited Edition Special I Cherry Worn Les Paul. This is it. Go ahead, by all means, stop at your local guitar store. Ask for the Epiphone Limited Edition Special I. This guitar plays beautifully. Made out of basswood. It's got a shiny, shimmery fretboard. And the action is very, very nice. It's got very good, solid pickups. The action feels great. It's very lightweight. It's not thick. It's a nice thin profile. It's a bolt-on neck. But it's all around great guitar. It looks good. It plays as good as a Les Paul. I have a Les Paul. I like it very, very much. This would be a great addition to anybody that has Les Pauls, that want a backup guitar. Pick it up. You can get one for like under 150 bucks. They're around $129. They play great, they sound great, and with just tweaking some custom tone patches, this guitar will sing. Thanks everybody for stopping by, and by all means please subscribe to the Guitar Tones TV channel right here for all your guitar tones and more, and reviews. And for the Jordan's Guitar Method, the link is down here also. Thanks very much everybody, and see you guys real soon. See ya!